It was glass breaking, walls crumbling, the roof when it tore, I could sense it, and then the ceiling started giving way and I could see the tornado over the top.
Tell me what was going through your mind at that point.
I was going to die.
You know, this is real close to the path it took in '99. Both my kids go to school within a mile of where we're standing. My daughter's fine. I have yet to see my son. He was in daycare. I was told they were evacuated, but the daycare is just rubble. So, you know, I've got faith that he's okay. I was told by firefighters that they've searched it with dogs, and there's no reaction for a body or anything.
They let us like put our heads down, and when the tornado hit, like put it like on the wall.
Anything crashing down?
Yeah, some things, but it didn't hurt my head yet.
I just dove in a stall, and that's about the last. You know, I got covered up with some debris, and then pushed me down the shed road. I was pretty lucky, I suppose.
Four to be Roger.